My name is Paddy. I work here at Kingspan and Guildford Road here in Portadown, and the main reason I'm on today is to give you all a bit of good news, but I'll delay the good news for a few minutes and tell you a wee bit about myself. This year it's my 25th year in Kingspan. It's sort of at the stage now where it's not a job anymore. I've turned it into a career, and that's something that a lot of people have done here in Kingspan. Started when I was 18. Came into the factory straight away, injection welding, water tanks, and moved on quickly to specialised fitting. Currently, I suppose I'm more into the training end of things here in the factory for new people coming in. I'll teach them the skills they need to fit products and stuff. 25 years, some people may think it's a long time, but I still get up in the morning, and to be honest with you, every day is a new day. This is the sort of environment we have here. It's not your typical factory where you're stood in one spot all day. You do require skills to work in here, and the company is a great management team and people beneath them there that will teach you the skills you need to succeed in here. Like I said, every day is a challenge. You don't know where you're going to be one day or the next. Now, Kingspan, what do they like to work for as a company? I've never had any problems. From day one coming in, I was always made feel very welcome. To this day, everyone does be made feel very welcome. We're like Kingspan as a company with values, and I believe very strong in them. From the bottom up, everyone's got a voice, and the good thing about it is everybody listens. People from up the top. Here at the Kingspan site, we do rotational moulding. You can see here we make oil storage tanks. They're just somewhere behind me here. Down at this end of the factory, we more focus on the oil tank end. In the centre of the factory there, with a big machine, would make our wastewater products. Then on up, we do custom moulding, basically for various big companies throughout the country and beyond. Basically, if you can think about something to make in plastic, we can make it. But the boys have just changed shifts over here. I'll take you in for a wee sneaky peek, show you how the process works. So now it could be a bit noisy, so what I will say is give us a wee like or a thumbs up. Make sure that you can hear me. I don't know, but I'll try and stay close to the phone and so you can hear me. Go ahead. Right, so come in here. Two main machines here. This is number 2 machine, we call it. This will make all our big wastewater storage units. Stuff's then took over to here, and the boys, couple of boys here, they're constantly fitting out the products ready to be shipped out. If we just move on down the factory here, usually this fitting area here where the boys would bring stuff in and fit them. But here's the main machine here, something we're really proud of in Kingspan. It's the biggest of its kind in Europe. It's so big they actually had to drop it into the floor to get it to fit. Basically the way it works here, you'll see a big platform here. There's 2 boys up the top. They bring the platform in, load the mould with the raw material, the powder form. It's then moved over to the next station and sent into the oven where it bakes for a certain period of time. It's then took out the first cooling station out the back, it'll spin there for a while, cooling, and then it goes into the main cooler for the final cooling process to take place. It then comes out, boys repeat the same process to come in and to demold. Now you'll see the arm turning here, they turn it over, the tanks drop out, and like I say, because we're down in the pit there's a conveyor belt takes the product up the ramp. It's then took to this station here, where we have a guy permanently testing our products, because let's face it, I wouldn't want to buy an oil tank with a hole in it, but I'm sure you would, you know. So we make sure everything's perfect before it's even took over to the fitting station. You'll see here, if you take a wee pinch right, this is where you'll see Mon here, he's starting to fit a product out here. Actually, they put all the fittings that's required into each and every tank. It's then pushed over, and our quality control team, they'll come and they'll give the check once over and give it the stamp of approval. Nothing goes out the door here unless it's 100%. Our customers expect nothing but the best quality from Kingspan. We expect to give them nothing but the best. That's just a wee sneak peek. I hope you can hear me okay, but we'll pop back outside here and I'll get to the good news. That was just a small sneak peek of the process. Kingspan, what do they have to offer you? Well, like I said before, they'll offer you a career, not a job, and it can be a job. It can be a job for life if you want it to be. Me personally, I'm here 25 years, and I see myself in here a lot longer. If you like a challenge and stuff, then this is the place. Now, the good news is, because we're ever expanding and orders keep coming in and stuff, we here at Kingspan, we're now recruiting, and we would like to offer anybody that wants a job to come and give us a try, and we'll certainly teach you the skills that's required to get through the job. We're starting with vacancies opening from all levels. And you're very welcome. This Facebook site here, you can ask for an application form through the Facebook site here, and we'll get one sent out to you. Also, you can email us at recruitment@kingspanenv.com, or if you want just to give us a call, one of our staff will be happy to take the call and send you an application form out. The number is 028 38 36 4666. They're a brilliant company to work for. I have never had a problem with them. You will be treated equally and fair, and we will teach you the skills that you require in rotational mode, any product. I hope to hear from you, so hopefully see you about the place whenever I'm training you. If you get a